Hello everyone, welcome to Almighty Tricks. So there is a question in LeetCode where it is asking we need to find the number of set bits present in a number. So let's take one example and understand what this question is asking. So let's say the question, the input, let's say we can have like input is n, we can have 11. Okay, so can you tell me how we can represent this 11 in binary form? So we can represent this binary form like 1011, right? So we need to count the number of set bits. Set bit is number of 1 present in this number. So here 1, 2, 3. So 3 number of set bits present in this number. So output should be 3. Okay. So similarly, let's say we have n is 2, so we can represent it like 1 0, right? So the output should be 1 because this number of set bit is 1. Okay, so let's understand how we can solve this question. So to solve this question we can use the bitwise operator concept. So we'll use the AND operator and left shift operator. Okay, so we know the we know one formula like how we can get to know this bit is set or not set. So for that we can have like and with one left shift of I. So it means what, this is the ith bit, so this is 0th bit, this is first bit, so it will be have ith bit. So it will give the whether this ith bit is set or not set, it will give this result. Okay, and this means what, this means 2 to the I. Okay, so one or left shift of I is 2 to the I. This means 2 to the I. Okay, so let's code this one and we'll take the example and we'll go through the code. Okay, so and also it is saying the number is 32-bit number. Okay, so let's say my n is 11. Okay, so this will can be represent like 0 0 0 0 till 28 zeros, then we can have 1 0 1 1. So in the here we can have 28 zeros, so it will be 32 bit. Okay, so let's code this one. So what we'll do, we can have one count which will initially 0. We will take the for loop I equals to 0 till 32 bits. Okay, so here what we'll do, if we'll go through one by one bit, let's say 1 0 1 1 is there, so we'll go through one by one bit, this bit, this bit, this bit, this bit. Okay, so what we'll do, and this formula is and one left shift of I equals to one left shift of I. Okay, so this value after and with this value is same as this value, then we can get to know this bit is set bit, this bit is set bit, and we will increment the count. Okay, we'll increment the count and we'll close this one and we'll return count. Okay, so let's dry run this one. So it is saying, let's say here I have I, then this means what, this one left shift of I, one left shift of I means what, 2 to the power I, then we can have the count. Okay, let's say our n is 11, which we can represent 1 0 1 1. Okay, now let's say the I is initially 0, so it will be 2 to the power 0 is 1, right? So count is initially 0. So how I can represent 2, let's do this one, n of 2 to the I. So n is what, 1 0 1 1. right? 2 to the I means what? 1. So this one I can write 0 0 0 1, right? I'll take the AND here, so it will be 1 1 and 0 0 0. So this is 1, and 2 to the I, this one is 1, already 1, so both are same, so the count will increment to 1. Okay, now next bit, let's say this I is 1, so 2 to the I 1 means what? 2. Okay, so let me perform this one. 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0. I'll take AND here, so 1 with 1 and with 0, so 0, 1 and with 1 1 0 0, right? So this is also 2, so this one also 2, this one also 2, so both are same, so it will increment the count, so count will become 2 now. Now I will increment to 2, so 2 to the power 2 is 4, so how I can write this one? I can write 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 0. Okay, so I'll take the AND 1 and 0 0 1 and 0 0 1 and 0 0 1 and 0 0. Okay, so this is 0, but this is 4. It is not satisfying this condition, so count will not increment, so it will be still 2. Now we'll increment I is 3. Okay, so 2 to the 3 means what? 8. So I can do 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 0. Okay, so this one 0, this one 0 0, this one 1, so this is 8. So this one and this one is same, so I'll increment the count, so 3. So we are getting this answer. Okay, hope you understood this approach. The time complexity is big of number of bits. So here 32 bits are there, right? So number of bits. Hope you understood this approach. Let's code this one. Okay, so we can have int variable with count equals to 0. Okay, so we'll take the for loop, int I equals to 0, I less than 32. Okay, then I plus plus. If what I'll do n and with 1 right shift of I is equals to 1, sorry, left shift of I, then count plus plus. Okay, return count. Let's run this. Okay, submit it. Okay, hope you understood this approach. Thank you for watching this video.